Namaskar. I am Nilesh Sada, Director of Moneymint and Arthagam.net. I am a trader since 2005. In my process, we have evolved to become a successful trader. You need to learn 6 pillars of trading. These are the foundation. If you learn and master all these 6 pillars and apply this holistic and scientific approach, you can become a very successful trader. The 6 pillars of trading are fundamental analysis, technical analysis, risk management, psychology of trading, trading plan, speed of execution and implementation. In our experience, we found if you learn only technical analysis or fundamental analysis, it won't serve the purpose. In order to become a successful trader, you need to master the art of all the 6 segments. Whether you are an option trader, commodity trader, currency trader or stock market trader, this 6 pillar will help you to have a systematic trading approach. It will help you to minimize your loss and you will become an ace trader. Moneymint is founded in the year 2006. With our experience, we have educated more than thousands of traders, and our mission is to help 1 million traders who wants to have trading as a systematic full-time or part-time income. We believe if you follow the systematic approach, your target to become a trader will become very much easy. The components or pillars of a successful trader. The first one is the fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis forms an important role for the success of the trader. When it comes to fundamental analysis, we need to analyze what is the global situation. Whether it's a war-like situation, what is the impact of the oil price is having on the share prices? What is the impact of the metal prices are having on the share prices? When we want to learn the fundamental analysis, the 3 components we need to look for is one, the earning date of the company, the competency of the management and the sector growth. Many short-term traders believe the fundamental analysis can be left off, but in order to have the proper analysis, this pillar forms the foundation for the successful trader. Let us now examine the other part, the second pillar, that is technical analysis. Technical analysis is the study of the historical data to study the present trend of the market. Various components are there. We at Moneymint and Arthagam make sure you systematically understand all the components of the technical analysis. The very important component is support and resistance. Support is the area from where the market bounces. Resistance is the area from where market falls. We make sure this concept is very clearly and advanced explained at Moneymint and Arthagam. The next component is the trend line. The trend line, when drawn diagonally, explains where the market will take supports and resistance. It explains what is the market trend. There is a way to correctly draw the trend line and get the conclusion of the market trend. The next component is Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is a tool to measure the support of the market. When the market rises and then a fall, During that fall, we need to find a certain level where the market will take a support. It is a very beautiful tool. It is found in nature, and same principle when it applied to a trading, it will make you a greater impact. The next tool in the technical analysis is impulsion versus correction. These are the waves when you understand it correctly and when you are in the correct direction of the trade. That is an impulse wave. You make lot of money. Impulsion and correction at Arthagam and Monument, we explain it very clearly. The next indicators are overbought and oversold indicators. There are various tools which suggest the market at this level is overbought. Market at this level is oversold. Now, using this tool with Fibonacci, with trend line, with impulsion and correction, makes your analysis more simpler and you are ahead in taking the trade as compared to other people. You know what the other big player of the markets are doing when you understand this tool very clearly. The next pillar now is the psychology of the trading. Many times it's the mindset that rules over trading. It's the mind what drives. On the correct analysis, a person takes a trade and a B person takes a trade. The share is the same. On the same share, an institution do a trading worth rupees crores and an individual do a trading worth as per his capacity. It's a mind game. Once you understand the basic components, it's only the multiplication in the number of shares what you need to do to produce the immense wealth. Now, our mind has developed some reference. We at Monument and Arthagam try to break that reference so that your psychology is in well stable. Your mind is in well stable state while you are doing trading. Now, the fourth component or the fourth pillar of a successful trader is the risk management. What do you mean by the risk management? Risk management means you need to properly manage your money. You need to properly take a risk of X% on each trade. For example, you have 1 lakh rupees and you are taking a trade of 1% on each trade. It takes 100 trades to evaporate all your capital. You cannot be wrong after doing analysis all the time. So, risk management is the fourth pillar which forms an important part. The fifth component of the successful trader is your trading plan. What do you mean by the trading plan? You need to define your goal. Your goal can be of 1 week. Your goal can be of 1 month. Your goal can be of 12 months. First, you need to decide what is your entire year goal. Break that goal then into 12 parts. That comes to your monthly goal. Break that goal into 4 parts. That comes to your weekly goal. Then you need to design a systematic plan how you are going to approach in the trading. We make sure you accomplish your goal weekly, then monthly, then yearly, then the entire 5-year plan. This forms you are in line of what you want to achieve in your life to create a massive wealth, to have your daily bread and butter covered. The next and the last component of successful trading is speed of execution and implementation. It is very important to have the right software and the right mechanism to implement all your trade. Many times we find we are in a state of not implementing, just analyzing and not implementing the steps. We at Arthagyan and Monument make sure you implement your steps and you have all the software that are necessary to make sure you take a trade. In today's era, you can do trading via mobile, via laptop. It has become location is not important while doing trading. You require to have a good software to take a trade. The speed of execution and implementation is the last pillar what you need to understand. What we do at Arthagyan and Monument, we have made a systematic courses to make you understand, to make your life easier while doing trading. We have various courses. We invite you to attend our course on basic to advanced level of technical analysis in your city. We cover this course is for each and everyone who know zero knowledge of the stock market. We cover from basic. What is a chart? What is a line chart? What is a bar chart? What is support? What is a trend line? Each and every part is covered in detail. So we request you to attend our workshop on basic to advanced level of technical analysis with the experts who have more than 15 years of experience of trading. Thank you.